I'll see if I can get the screen up now. Oh, how did I do that? I don't remember what I did. Let's see. I think I'm just gonna go to the desktop because then I think this number 2 I can change to. No, that's not what I want to do.
Well, you're closer. I saw the screens. Now you
Well,
just got to enlarge the one you want, right?
he showed me how to have my picture on there too,
Oh,
along with it, and I don't remember what to do, but I'll go and open up Adkreator and we'll make a squeeze page.
cool.
Okay. So I assume everybody can see my browser.
Yes, now we
Oh,
can.
good. Okay. And what we do is we're on the home page now, and we're going to click. Is there anybody new in here? Rich Taylor. Okay. All right. Hi, Rich. And anybody else new coming in? I'm going to click on Browse Templates. And I'm going to scroll down to the squeeze pages. And we're going to go pick out a squeeze page template. And I think one of the ones I want will be up here in the 11 to 15. And I was thinking maybe getting a Valentine's Day page, but actually I think maybe plain white would be better. With plain white you can add so many things. We have and I didn't tell you, but you can click on all of these pages and you'll scroll down and there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on that page. And so page 10 has the plain white and the border white with the border. And I'm going to click on this plain white. And and let's see, I think I started to record.
Yes, you're recording.
Okay. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is, I bet people will want to know how to add a video. So I was just thinking, I was having trouble in YouTube a few days ago. I I was trying to record a video on there and it wouldn't save it for me. And I tried quite a few times and it never saved a video for me. So I'll just go get an old one. I'll have to get an old one. So, assuming that you've have some uploaded videos already, and I'll see if that one I made ever was processed. For some reason it won't process them. I want to go to Video Manager. It's right up here at the very top, and that's where you'll find all your uploaded videos. And you see there's that one I recorded and it didn't do anything, and then I made some to upload and I just guess I got too tired to try that out. But I'll get an old one of just to show you. Let's see. I guess it really doesn't matter if it has my birds, but here's something about Adkreator. So I'm just gonna click on the video or the title to go in there and see the details. And what you want to do is get an embedded code from here. And here it is. You go down to share and click share, and then go down to embedded. And here it is. Now, you know, they used to have an option where you could, here it is, where you can change the size. Now, if you wanted it smaller than 560 by 315, you would go down to custom, and you could type in, let's say, I'll put 300 by 2, that one. And it came up with the one on the other side for me. And then it automatically puts that in the code right up here. But let me see if it'll put in, let me put in my own number here, like 200 for the heck of it. Well, then it changed this number right there, but that's all right. Anyway, we'll select that, all of that, and copy that. This is the embedded code you want to copy. And then we'll go to Adkreator. We loaded this white squeeze page template by clicking on it in the template catalog, and it loaded. So now we're going to click on the video code. So just click on that and you get this box, and you paste your embedded code in here that you copied. So you right click in that box and click on paste. And then if you wanted to do autoplay, where it automatically starts to play when people get to your page or look at your page, you just go to the very end of your link that starts with HTTPS, in between the quotes, and go to the very end of it and put your cursor right there, right to the left of the quotes, and type in question mark auto play equals 1. Question mark autoplay equals 1, and click submit, and then drag this to where you think you want it to be, kind of. And I do one thing at a time. I save it every time I add a box like that with a code. So I'm going to call this lab squeeze page, and I'll know I made it for the show I'm doing. So save it as a JPG, because I heard that the JPG will load much faster, especially if you're using a traffic exchange. And the PNG is the clearest picture. And then the JPG and the GIF page, I don't think is very good because the colors are really blah. So JPG is the best if you're doing traffic exchanges or mailers. And then click save. And then click on your page here. It'll save it in a place called My Designs. So whenever you make something and save it for the first time, you can find it at the very top here on page 1 in My Designs. And to go in to edit it, click on the title, and then this is halfway in. It goes into, you can go in further to edit the design, but right now I want to click on the squeeze page link here and see where my video is on the page. And there it is right there. My autoplay's working. Hi, I'm Barb Dale Judas. See, I shouldn't use that one because it says co-owner. I'm the owner now, but at least we see that the video's working. So I gotta make some new videos and upload them. Anyway, that might be where I want to have it positioned, so I'll leave it there for now, and I'll go back and we'll go add a lead capture code. That's what that's called. So for your autoresponder code, and you can capture leads and they'll sign up to your autoresponder. So let's go into edit design, and I'm going to go to my autoresponder. What box we're going to use is the autoresponder box. So we need to go get our autoresponder code, and mine autoresponder is Rocket Responders. So I'll go in there, log in, and we got to go get a form code. So log me in, and I've already got a bunch of lists. So what you want to do is go to manage lists, and it's pretty similar on other autoresponders. They might have a different name there, but you'll want to go and see where. I remember Traffic Wave, I think, called them campaigns instead of lists. So anyway, I'll just go to my best squeeze page landing page maker. So I'm going to click on that list because I want people to sign up to that list. So you got to click on that list you definitely want people to sign up to, and look over here and there's something called forms. So click on the forms, and I'll just get a bare bones form for now. Or nah, maybe I'll get one of the ones I made. And get with something colorful in it, because I have a white page. So I'll go into edit. Yeah, that looks nice. And I'll go over here to get code. And I'll generate it because I already made it. I've already made this one. So anyway, I'll just right click on that and select all and copy. And then we'll go back to Adkreator and paste that code into the here. So just left click to get the cursor in there, and then right click and paste, and click submit, and then drag this box down to where you think you want that to be. And I think it's going to fit here pretty good. So I'm going to save it again, and I'm going to go to the page of it I've got open already, and I'm going to refresh it. And it looks like it's in the page. You know, I'm gonna put a background around this white page. Hang on. So I'll go back in here. I'll just click once, and we've got plain background colors like that. And if you want you pick whatever you want, and then click the screen apply button, and then refresh your page and you'll see it. But I'm going to pick, I think I'm going to pick, I have background images here, and I've got, for Valentine's Day, I know there's a really red one. I think it's this number 10. These are nice, these gradients. So once I click the apply button, I'm going to go over here and refresh that. But that doesn't go good. It doesn't go good with that lavender box. So I'm going to go see what else there is. I think there's a blue one. Number 1 might be blue. I went and changed it and clicked the green apply button, and that's nice. I keep saying that's nice. But I'm going to just go through these. This is number 2. I always go through to see what one I like the best. Nah, that doesn't work at all. I don't like that one very well either, that color. 3. I don't like that. This one won't work. So I'm going to go to number 4. You know, a lot of people don't, oh, that goes with that really well. So I'm going to leave that one there. I love that color. And now I'm going to go in and edit and fix the autoresponder box. And you can see over here that it's going over the edge a little bit. So I'm going to just push it up a little bit to make it fit a little better, like that. And save it again, and we'll go see if it's fitting in there pretty good. And that's how you position these. And you know, a lot of people don't want to spend the time, you know, doing all this work on their page, but I think it's really, really important. Hang on a sec while I get more water. Be right back. Not very far.
As we pause, Barb is going through how to make a splash page and squeeze page.
Okay, sorry, it was just I sometimes get these really hot flashes. And okay, so now I said we were going to do some kind of Valentine's Day thing. I might as well go ahead and show you how to put up a graphic, a GIF, and animation. So we'll go get a Valentine's animation. And hopefully we're going to have the animations in the near future. We'll have some in the Adkreator program itself, but for now you'll have to either find free ones that allow you to use their stuff on a commercial site for free. They usually want you to link back, or you'll have to buy them, because if you don't do that, you can get in a lot of trouble. So I use something called animationgold.com. They've got a lot of pretty good ones. And well, I know you need to link back on this. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a link. And so I just clicked on link back to us, and they've got a few here. I just use this small one for squeeze page. And so first thing I'm gonna do is get I'll show you. I'll have to make a little code and on my squeeze page. Hang on. So I'm going to copy that one, but I'll show you. I won't use the link.htm. I'm going to go into my squeeze page. edit design, and we have to make a little code. And if you ever want to use any code, you click on the autoresponder box and put it in here. So, Rick or Rip, I'm sorry if you want to leave, it's okay if I interrupted you.
No, Barb, go ahead.
Oh, great. Well, it's really nice having you here, especially when I got up to get a drink of water. Thanks.
No problem at all.
So what you want to do is make a code. And on my blog, I mention what this is. And so you use the, I think this is the less than sign. But you have to put that there, and then you put A H R E. This is for um the box we're gonna their box we're gonna put in there. Their link back to them. Or wait, I need to put A space HREF equals, and then a quote, and then I need to take out this part of the link just so it goes to their site directly. And then quotes and a greater than sign. I don't know what those are called, but that's what I call them. I don't know the proper names. So then now we're gonna, that's the link, and now we need to put in the image. So we're gonna do this sign again, and we're gonna go get the link to a Valentine. Oh boy. So they've got some cute Valentine's Day right here. And let's see. Maybe I'll just, for now, we'll pick this cute little one, or maybe something a little bigger, or, oh boy, let's see. They have 3 pages of Valentines. Oh, I gotta get the heart. I'll get this heart. So I'm gonna right click on that, and I'm pretty sure it's okay just to copy their image location. What I really need to do is go read their terms of service. Some places want you to download it to your computer and then upload it to your server or your cPanel. But I'm pretty sure I read that it's okay to just copy the image location. And I'm going back over here, and now I need to put this one. Oh, I need to type in IMG space SRC equals, and then a quote, and then I'll paste that GIF link. And that's how we got it, by right clicking on the copy image location, and then a quote mark, and then a greater than sign, and then you need to end that. And the way to end your code is to do that one again with that and an A, and there you go. And click submit, and then let's see, where do I want to put that? I'll put that there, I guess. And we're going to save it. And then I'm going to click on my page and refresh it. And there it is. Hi, I'm Barb. And anyway, if you make a video, you'll probably want to talk a little bit about why you want somebody to sign up to your list. And say just sign up below, and you'll get more info on this or that. But what you want to do is also put some text, because somebody might be briefly looking at your page and you want to have something there. And I really don't like the layout that I have for this so far. Sometimes I'll spend a whole lot of time trying to make it look right. But I'm just kind of throwing it together now. So to do some text, click on the double T's, and you'll get a text options box and this text box inside of your squeeze page. And I'm going to drag it down here because I know my video's right in there. And I'm going to make it bigger, and you do that by putting a double arrow over a corner and dragging it out. And you let go when you're got it where you want it to be. And I think it's okay to and then this is where a lot of people have trouble to type in here. You need to double click, and for some reason it doesn't do it on my first double click, maybe because I wasn't pushing the mouse button hard enough. But just keep double clicking till you get it there. And I'm going to say get more info on my product. Or wait, you might want to say something catchy like, well, I'm always advertising Adkreator, so I would want to say something like best landing page. And because landing page and squeeze page and lead page are all the same thing, I'm going to go, and not everybody might know that, I'm going to put them all in here. Best landing page, lead page, squeeze page maker on on the net. And so, you know, you want to put something like that there that might catch somebody's eye, and I'm gonna make that really big. So I'm going to go to the size and I'll put it on 44. And then I'm going to highlight that again there. Now I can see what I'm doing a little more. And I'm going to do the center alignment. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to make it red. I didn't really make a very good Valentine, but now I'm going to click on the red there and push that up to that little ball to a lighter red like that, and click OK. And I'm going to go get a different font. So I'm going to click on that arrow. These are drop down boxes. And let me get something that'll stand out really good. And I like cool Vetty lately. It's pretty good. And I've got here best landing page, squeeze page, lead page maker on the net. And I was thinking of putting something else like, I don't know right now, but let's say this is all, I want it to show up even more. So I'm going to make it the font even bigger. I'll go to 50, 55. Yeah, okay. And then you might want to put an arrow. No, don't, well, oh, I know I need to put my logo in here. So I've got my logos on my computer. So clicking on this upload images box shows your computer library and desktop. And I'm going to scroll down and get my logo. And make it a little smaller, and I don't know if it's gonna fit under there very well. It might fit in between these better, but that just isn't gonna look very good. So anyway, we'll save it and we can do a little rearranging. First, I'm gonna click on the refresh button. And I need to pull this down a little bit. So I'm going to go back into edit. And if I wanted to, I'd even make it smaller. Oops. And then just go like that. And maybe move the heart over a little. Or actually, I think I'm going to move the heart down here and put the logo up here, which is a better idea. And I want to put a link on my logo. So we have a special transparent code that you put on a squeeze page to make something clickable. So I'm going to go get it. I have it down here. Well, first I'm going to save this. And then I'll open it one more time to put that code on it. And to do that, you need to get another autoresponder box. And I've got it right here. I had it all ready for our lesson. And I'm going to copy it and paste it. And I've got this on my blog, I think. I put it there. And it's for everybody to use, except you need to replace my link with your link, my Adkreator affiliate link. And I'm pasting it in here, and I'm going to click submit, and I'm just going to drag it over here and put it over. You put that over the picture you want to be clickable. So we're going to save it and test it. And I'll go over to the page and refresh it. And I would still maybe move the heart over to be centered above this. What you want to do is like center things. You want to line things up nicely. Anyway, I want to test this and see if I can click on it. And it works. Yay. So the reason they call that a transparent code is, see, when I clicked on it, it made a transparent box. But that'll go away when you refresh it. But that's what the blank GIF is in my transparent code. So anyway, I guess that's it for making a squeeze page. I've got everything on it, a video, a text, a logo, and a GIF, animation. Oh, wait, I forgot something. That animation gold box, I guess I never did it, or I didn't finish it, or where did it go? Well, you can look in these to see what, highlight your box and then click auto respond that out. Oh, there's my animation gold box, and what I was supposed to put in there okay, I forgot. I did goofed. I was supposed to put in the link back, and then I was going to do the heart separately. Okay, now I've got you all confused. Let's see. Here it is, animation gold link dot. Okay, I'm going to copy that image and go back here. I put the wrong one in here. Isn't that silly? Make sure it's in between the quotes. Uh-oh, what did I do? Oh, okay. Now I don't want that where the heart is. I'm gonna, where is that gonna fit? It's not gonna fit in here too good. Oh, I know what I'll do. I'll make this smaller, the font, not that small. Let's see. I'm just maybe have it kind of like this, and the animation gold box is going to go here. And now I got to go get the heart. Sitemap. No, free animation. We'll go back to Valentine's. I'm going to put the bear up there, I think. So just to do one single GIF or animation, copy the image location, and we'll go back here, and I'm going to get another box, autoresponder box, and put it in here. And you have to put some code around it. So I'm going to go to the beginning, and you just put this less than sign and then quotes. No, wrong. That's not right. IMG SRC equals quotes, and then quotes at the end, and then a less than sign, and that's it. Click submit, and I'm going to put that here, and we're going to click save, and I'm going to refresh it. Now I could make this bigger. I can make my text bigger, and I'm going to have to move my bear up. So we're going to go back and edit. This is more tedious, but I think it's cool. I don't like to rush on this kind of thing. To me, doing your page is really important. It's something you don't want to rush. And I'm going to make that bigger. And I'll go look at this again, and I'm going to move the bear up. I can move this down a little, and the bear can move up a little. And it's okay if those overlap a little bit. And now I'm going to refresh it. And he fits in there. This, I could move this down a little bit. It's good to get everything. I mean, you want to make everything aligned nicely. You don't want to just like not pay any attention to it. And I want to see this down a little bit and leave a little bit of more of a space under my video. And the bear, I could move him over this way a little more and up a tiny bit. Move him that way a little more. Maybe just up it, not much, just a little. And this one I wanted to move down a little bit more. And you just keep working on it until it looks nicely aligned. You don't want to be sloppy with it. You want and go and refresh it. And you know, I'm going to keep working on it. I work on these a lot, really long, but it's worth it. Anyway, I'll make sure this is still clickable, even though the box in the edit section is overlapping. Everything still works. So that's it for now. I'm going to come back over here and stop the recording